Tracking a patient's surgical status requires a lot of legwork in facilities that don't have software lending a helping hand. But for those facilities that do use a tracking system, keeping track of patients is a piece of cake. Let's review some hardships associated with not having a tracking system and how those hardships can easily be eliminated. To start, family members in the waiting room tend to approach the front desk staff for an update on the patient's surgical status. Rather than having to track down clinical staff to provide an update on the patient and then relay that information back to the family members, Passport BigBoard displays a HIPAA-compliant view of the patient's status on a screen in the waiting room. Additionally, family members can receive a text message notifying them that the patient is ready for pickup in the event that the family member cannot stay in the waiting room during the procedure. Back in the OR area, facilities often track the patient's operative status manually on a whiteboard, which is time-consuming and often difficult to read. As soon as a patient moves from one room to another, a staff member is required to walk to the board, update the status, and verbally communicate patient status to other staff members. Passport BigBoard allows easy access to updating patient status on a tablet, computer, or any device connected to the internet. This solution has multiple display options, which ensures that the OR staff, front desk staff, and family members in the waiting room only see the information that pertains to them.
It has sped up the process. It's made it more efficient. So we're able to communicate with anesthesia. We're able to communicate with the physicians. If there's any special instrumentation that's needed, we can send that out through messaging. And so what that has done is our pre-admission time with a patient has gone from anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour down to 15 to 20 minutes per patient.
Having the ability to communicate patient status with all staff and family members with the click of a button will save your facility so much time and effort while providing the most accurate, real-time information. The choice is simple. Click the button at the end of this video to select a time to learn more.